Hi everyone, I'm Giovanni Abadi of the Facebook page Windsor-Essex Nest Watchers here at Memorial Park. We heard woodpeckers tapping, some turkeys calling, and the warblers are back. What a beautiful spring day. So I'm here to share some birding information with residents in case they want to participate in some local research. Our Facebook page Windsor-Essex Nest Watchers was created to share breeding bird data with Bird Studies Canada, or what is now known as Birds Canada, for their third edition of the Ontario Breeding Bird Atlas. The atlas highlights each of Ontario's breeding birds, discussing their habitats, their threats, and their life cycles, as well as various tidbits. I have the first two editions here. There's Atlas 1, and here's Atlas 2. I'm going to open it up to show everyone the value of this resource. Anyone that's interested in the natural heritage of Windsor-Essex or Ontario, specifically birds, will find it very helpful. So I opened it up to the red-headed woodpecker, which is thought to be uncommon to the Windsor-Essex area, so I consider myself fortunate to have found one here in Memorial Park last year, as well as at the South Cameron Woodlot. I know they're known to be in the Ojibwe Prairie Complex and perhaps other areas in Windsor-Essex, but unless folks like you and I submit data, we won't really know for sure where they are. So I highlighted some of the features of the atlas. The red show the threats to the species. The green show the habitats they're found in, while the blue highlight their diet, when they migrate back, when they lay their eggs, how many eggs they have in the clutch, and when they fledge. Another feature of the atlas, this is how they keep track of the species. They break down Ontario into 10 by 10 square kilometer quadrants, and the red shows the area where they have found evidence, and the white where they haven't found evidence. That doesn't mean that the birds don't breed in the area, but unless folks like you and I submit data, we don't really know. So that's why it's valuable to submit any information you have to fill in key gaps, as well as to be able to protect some key habitats. So it's easy to participate. From 2021 till 2025, they'll be collecting data. So if you have, say, any nest boxes on your property or any tree cavities, the tree cavity, it's a good idea maybe to put some flagging tape around the tree, or maybe spray some fluorescent paint at the base, because once the leaf cover takes over, it's going to be hard to find the cavity. So at this point, it's difficult to identify whether there's anything breeding there. But once the eggs hatch and you can hear the little ones calling, or you may see feces on the side of the tree, or see the parents flying back and forth carrying food, that's good evidence of breeding, and it's valuable information. So you can submit your photos to our Facebook page, once again, Windsor-Essex Nest Watchers, or contact us. We can come out, take some pictures to identify the species for you. We can submit the data to Bird Studies Canada, or we can help you submit the data. It's up to you. And this data can aid in bird research locally and in Ontario, possibly conserving habitats. We recently saw the clear cutting of the railway lands downtown by Crawford between Riverside Drive and University, as well as the destruction of an owl nest by crews unaware that there were owls nesting in the tree they were taking down. This data also helps in increasing birding tourism, attracting valuable dollars to the local economy, as well as educating everyone on the need for wildlife biodiversity and the value of birds. A lot of these birds are our natural pest control in the community. So become a citizen scientist and help put Windsor-Essex on the map. Please friend and share our page, Windsor-Essex Nest Watchers. Remember, the more eyes in the field, the better informed we are, and who knows what rarities we may find. What is common to your property may be rare in the region and may help protect key habitats. Thank you. I'm Giovanni Abadi, and happy birding.